Teacher's Day. How different countries honor their educators.
What is the Teacher's Day?
Teacher's Day is a day to thank and honor teachers for their hard work. The date and celebrations vary across countries, but the main purpose is to express appreciation to educators. Teachers play a key role in shaping students and future society, and this day allows students to pay tribute to them.
The origin of Teacher's Day.
Teacher's Day in Taiwan is celebrated on September 28th each year, a date chosen to honor Confucius, the Chinese educator and philosopher. Confucius, known as the model teacher of all ages, had a profound impact on education and is revered as the founder of Confucianism.
Teacher's Day traditional rituals. The Confucian sacrificial ceremony.
The Confucian sacrificial ceremony, also known as the Shirdian ceremony, is a significant event held at Confucian temples across Taiwan during Teacher's Day. This ceremony honors Confucius, the great educator of ancient China, and reflects the value and respect placed on education. Among these rituals, the 8-rose dance is a traditional dance performance performed during the ceremony.
Teacher's Day celebrations.
Schools often hold special ceremonies where students present flowers, cards, and small gifts to their teachers. Additionally, the Ministry of Education and local governments may organize award ceremonies to recognize and honor outstanding teachers for their contributions.
Teacher's Day in different countries.
Japan.
Every day is Teacher's Day. In Japan, respect for teachers is evident in daily life. Students use honorific language with teachers and often give gifts of gratitude. Stores and supermarkets offer discounts for teachers, and passengers on public transport often give up their seats when they see a teacher wearing a teacher's ID card. This daily respect for teachers is why there is a saying, "Every day is Teacher's Day."
South Korea.
May 15th. In South Korea, Teacher's Day is celebrated on May 15th. On this day, students give flowers and thank you cards to teachers to show their respect and gratitude.
Thailand.
January 16th. Thailand's Teacher's Day is celebrated on January 16th, known as Teacher's Day, when the entire country has a day off to recognize the contributions of teachers to society. Additionally, the first Monday in June is the traditional Teacher Appreciation Day, featuring solemn ceremonies where students kneel to pay respects to their teachers and present jasmine garlands.
America.
Tuesday of the first full week of May. In the United States, Teacher's Day is an unofficial holiday celebrated on the Tuesday of the first full week of May, known as Teacher Appreciation Week. It focuses on K-12 teachers, with students and parents preparing cards and small gifts, and some hosting small parties for teachers to gather and celebrate together.
Germany.
June 12th. Although Teacher's Day in Germany is not a nationwide holiday, some regions organize special activities in schools to celebrate. Students give gifts to their teachers, and teachers often display each gift publicly for students to see, which is a common practice in Germany.
India.
September 5th. On this day, schools typically remain open, and both teachers and students attend. However, the teaching responsibilities are handed over to senior students, allowing teachers to take a break and enjoy the gratitude and respect from their students.
World Teachers' Day.
October 5th. In addition to countries with specific Teachers' Days, over 100 nations use World Teachers' Day to show appreciation to teachers. Celebrated on October 5th each year, World Teachers' Day was established in 1994 by UNESCO and the International Labour Organization. Its purpose is to honor the contributions of teachers worldwide and raise awareness of their rights, helping them protect their interests. Happy Teachers' Day!